covering refrigerant and you instantly notice that the system is really low on refrigerant. So here's the scenario here. I just before turning on the camera, I noticed right away, even though it said like 80 psi because it's warm in here, the refrigerant recovery unit, when I turned it on, immediately the pressure went from 80 down to like 14 psi within 10 seconds. I got probably the majority of the refrigerant out because I shut it off right away so I can make this video. And it's staying at 21 psi. So that tells me I got the majority of all the refrigerant out. And it's 230 grams right now. And the reason you know there's no liquid in there is it's staying down at 22 psi, but well, actually it says outdoor bulb temperature right here is 78 degrees because of all the concrete inside here. It's cooler in here than outside. So this system came in non-running. That means, and there's no damage to the condenser that would stop it from or make it lose refrigerant. There's no obvious leaks. There's just a little bit on the fins right here, but not on the tubes. So nothing to do with the accident made this system low. This came in low. That means it didn't have good working. Notate that down on your work order. Let's continue the recovery procedure. Turned it back on. And it looks like I'll probably get about 320 grams, maybe at most. And let's see what this vehicle holds. That is the sticker out on this. We're looking for the sticker. Sticker is missing. Huh. Okay. Sticker must have been on this top plate right there. And but we know this is probably about a 480 to 5. What year is this? This is a, can somebody out there see that before? There go, 2006. So this might be a 580 gram system. Since the sticker's not missing and I'm not looking it up right now, Toyota Solaris V6. But if I'm only pulling out 300 grams, we know we're low. 240, let's put it in purge mode to see what comes out. So we're gonna put it into purge mode. Now I'm getting rid of the last bit of liquid refrigerant that's in the system, pushing it into the scale and measuring what's coming out. And it looks like we're stopping at about 280 grams. So that's about it. If I'm lucky, I'll get 290 out of there. So definitely this did not come into the shop in working condition, the air conditioning in working condition. It worked, the pump would come on, but on a hot day it was definitely not cooling. That I can prove by the amount of refrigerant. It has nothing to do with the accident. So that goes into your notations that it came in here already low on charge. All right guys, I'm gonna get back to recovering this, and it's a little noisy here because they're doing some other work here. And we got the Field Piece VP X7 10 CFM vacuum pump. We got the Field Piece SR47 Bluetooth wireless scale. And then we got the Mr. 45 recovery machine. And then we got the Field Piece SM48V 4-port with the large 3/4 inch high vacuum silicone vacuum hose. All right guys, all available at True Tech Tools, and I'll see you guys later.